Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Focus mode on your iPhone helps you stay concentrated by filtering notifications and alerts. However, there are times when you might want to turn it off to ensure you don't miss any important messages or call. Here is a straightforward guide on how to turn off focus on your iPhone. It's super easy and handy. Let's get started. The first step is to open the control center. For iPhones with Face ID, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. For iPhones with Home button, swipe up from the bottom edge of the screen. Now, locate the focus icon. In the control center, find the focus icon. It looks like a crescent moon. The next step is to turn off focus. If focus is enabled, the icon will be highlighted. Simply tap on the focus icon, which is the do not disturb icon, to turn it off. The icon should no longer be highlighted, indicating that focus mode is disabled. Another alternative method to use is via the setting app. Open the setting app on your phone. It looks like a gray gear icon. Then you navigate to the focus setting. In the focus menu, tap on the currently active focus mode, that is, do not disturb, work or personal. Then you juggle off the switch next to the active focus mode to off. This will disable the selected focus mode. And that's it guys, you successfully turned off focus on your iPhone. Turning off focus on your iPhone is a quick and easy process, ensuring you stay connected and receive all your notifications. Whether you're using Control Center or navigating through the setting app, you can effortlessly switch focus mode off and enjoy uninterrupted access to your calls and messages. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.